Hey, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 600 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, brand new balancer, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. We have the Afr 220 intake runner heads, the brass freeze plugs in there, correct Moroso rear sump oil pan for the customer's suspension he's running, oil stick and tube, Cobra valve covers on here, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, Holley sniper fuel injection on there. The entire Holley sniper fuel injection will be completely dialed in, ready to go. All the settings will be set. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot, timing will be set. Again, sniper system completely dialed in. We have the proper bell housing for the TKX 5-speed transmission. We supplied transmission bolts, clutch fork, throwout bearing, clutches aligned, all set, ready to go. High torque mini starter, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line on there. We have the serpentine pulley kit on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup, power steering pumps on there. We have the proper pressure on there for the customer's steering system in there, thermostats in there. So this way you get it complete, custom built for your vehicle, ready to go, drop in ready, fully tested. So again, this is our 600 horsepower 427 Ford engine, ready to go. Thanks for watching.